guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your own Christmas advent calendar, and this is what it will end up looking like. So let's get started. So what you need to make this advent calendar is a cushion. Well, I've just got my cushion from Kmart. It cost me, I think it was about $5 or $10. I've had this one for a couple of years, so this is my third year I've made these calendars. I thought I'd videotape them this year. So you also need a pair of scissors, sticky tape. Now you need to get yourself some safety pins, not the small ones, not the big ones, so around a medium sized safety pin. You need to get yourself 24 surprises. This one's, I've got chocolates. Freddos, because it was just easier. I got the packet which had 24 pieces in it, and then you need the big surprise for the 25th night. Now this is for a teenager in my family, so I've got them earbuds. And then you need 2 rolls of wrapping paper. So one roll is for wrapping up the chocolates, and the other roll is for the surprise that goes for the 25th night. So once you've got all those things, come back and we will make our event calendar. Next step is we're going to open up the chocolates, which I've done, and then we're going to grab our wrapping paper. Okay. Now with the wrapping paper, roll it out on your floor. Well, this is where I'm doing it anyway. And we are going to cut our wrapping paper in strips big enough that they hold the chocolate. So you need to make enough so you can cut up 24 strips of this paper. Now we've cut up all our paper, okay, all the paper we need to make this, all the nice little pieces. We're going to get our sticky tape next, okay. Next part is we wrap up all the chocolates individually. Okay, on to my very last one of my Cadbury's chocolates for my event calendar. Lucky last, a caramel. Voila. So after we've wrapped all these up, we then get our other wrapping paper. So 2 seconds, I'll put it in this. That's it, there we go. Our 24 chocolates. And over to the side. Now we're going to... Okay, we've wrapped up our 24 chocolates, which are over here. Yay! Okay, that took a while. Now we're going to get our middle prize, which is, in this case, earbuds. Okay, so we're going to get our other wrapping paper. And we're going to cut a strip off. Okay. Cut it in half as well, so you don't need the full piece. Our earbuds. Wrap them up. Where's my sticky tape? The earbuds. Now, with this last bit on here, I'm actually not going to put the paper all the way up. I actually want to have a little bit left over there. Now that is to put the safety pins in. Okay, so now we've got our safety pins. Okay, over here. We get our cushion. Okay, so this is my cushion. Oh, I can't really see it very clearly. That's a bit close. And I'll lift my camera up. So now we get our cushion. As I said, just any old cushion, but I got a Christmas one from Kmart. Okay, now what we do is we get a safety pin, okay, and we get our middle prize, and it goes in the center of the cushion. Like so. So we've got our middle prize, which is for our last night, and our cushion. So what we are going to do now is grab each of these individual chocolates, and we will place them around the cushion so we know exactly where for them to go. Make sure you put the neat side up. Okay, just watch me do that. After you've put a few in place, then it's time to get your safety pins again. Safety pin. And start safety pinning your prizes to your pillow. So I'm about halfway through. I'm not quite halfway, but that's what it's looking like so far. Okay, let's keep pinning. Okay, lucky last chocolate. There's 2 here, but remember the packet had 24 chocolates in it. So we only need 23 chocolates. So this one ends up being mine. Okay, put that to the side. Now let's count to make sure I'm right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24th night. So we have now finished our event calendar. So control that. So that's our event calendar. I hope you enjoy doing this project with me. Now you can make your own. You don't have to use chocolates. You can use all sorts of things. I think one year I put socks and makeup and nail polish in one of my kids. So I hope you enjoyed this project. Please like and subscribe for more videos and stay tuned for more Christmas craft.